Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix an Amazon Fire Stick remote. Let's go. Step 1. Replace the batteries. Observe the polarity. Step 2. Disconnect the Fire Stick from the power supply and plug it back in. Hold down the Home button. Hold it until the blue light appears. That's it. Now you know how to fix an Amazon Fire Stick remote. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.